In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate age in Excel. Let's walk through a simple and reliable way to calculate age from a birth date using Excel formulas. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and getting your worksheet ready. You can place a birth date in a cell, such as cell A1, and then use another cell to display the age result. The easiest way to calculate age from a birth date in Excel is by using the ddmmyyyy function. This function compares two dates and returns the difference between them in a format you choose. It's especially useful for age calculations because it can return full years, remaining months, and even remaining days. For the most common age calculation, enter this formula: equals datadiff if, open parenthesis, A1, comma, today, open and close parenthesis, comma, quotation mark y, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Written normally, that is datif, A1, today, y. This formula tells Excel to compare the birth date in A1 with today's date and return the number of complete years between them. For example, if cell A1 contains a birth date like 01/01/1995, and you use the formula equal datif A1 today on yyyy, Excel will return the person's age in full years only. That means it won't count partial years, which is exactly what you usually want when calculating age. You may also see an example like Hatton address 504,000 forts, which returns D5. This shows a reference without absolute formatting. While that formula is not used to calculate age, it helps illustrate how Excel can return cell references in a flexible way. For age formulas, the key thing is making sure your birth date cell reference is correct. If you want a more accurate age breakdown, including years, months, and days, you can use datadiff in 3 separate formulas. To return the full years, use is datadiff A1 today y. To return the remaining months after those years, use datadiff A1 today em, and to return the remaining days after the months, use uhub datif A1 today md. This gives you a much more detailed result. For example, instead of only seeing someone's age in years, you can describe it as a certain number of years, plus extra months, plus extra days. That can be helpful for precise records, forms, or reports. As a quick tip, make sure the birth date cell is actually formatted as a date in Excel. If Excel sees it as plain text, the formula may not work correctly. Once everything is entered properly, Excel will automatically update the result each day because the today function always uses the current date.